RWA has been completely revolutionizing the crypto industry, and that's just in 2024. 2025 is well underway, and we are seeing hints of the next wave of the bull run for crypto. So projects like ChainBank have a lot of potential here. So let's just talk about this in this video. None of this is financial advice, do your own research, but without further ado, let's jump into it. When looking at RWA tokens in 2024, we saw coins like Ondo get to nearly $1 billion market cap, and we saw coins like Mantra do 700 million. As well as that, we saw Pendle do 500 million, and these are just a few of the examples of how RWA coins are completely changing the industry, and investors are definitely on board with it. So when we're looking at a token like ChainBank, who is in pre-sale right now, and they've had a lot of success so far, these guys are essentially bridging the gap between banks and crypto with things like their cryptocurrency card, multi-chain support, and AI analytics for RWA. If we go over to their Twitter here, you can see they have 13,000 followers already, and if we scroll down here, you can see something that's pretty important in the crypto space. Obviously, with the new US administration, these guys are very pro-crypto, and we are seeing people like Powell come out with statements basically saying, hey, you can serve crypto to crypto customers if you're a bank. So someone that's regulated, someone that is specifically tailoring their products to this is going to be doing incredibly well, in my opinion anyway. We can see here that ChainBank have a fantastic website. They are all over the news here. We can see Crypto Daily, all right? We can see Blockchain Magazine here. These are big names in the PR side of crypto, and the fact that they're covering this project is a brilliant sign here. If we are looking at their pre-sale, we can see that they have already raised over $1 million here. That is fantastic, and they have another round coming up very soon. So if you do want to get in before the next price increase, you can see here you got 2 days to do so, and I do think this type of project here, just based on what we've talked about with the other RWA coins, I do think this has potential to probably do 10 to 30 mil here in their pre-sale raise. Getting involved is super simple. We can see here you can choose any chain here, because obviously these guys are multi-chain support. So basically to any chain here you can deposit and get that ChainBank token. All you got to do is select the currency, connect your wallet, and then enter the amount that you would like to buy with. Then you're going to receive the ChainBank tokens. But one thing that's important about this, guys, is if you do put in more than $300, right, you're going to get an 8% token bonus. If you put over 750, you're going to get a nice 12%. And if you put over $1,500, which again in crypto isn't really that much, you're actually going to get 15% bonus on the coins you would normally buy. So this in itself is a massive incentive to get in early, because you're going to be getting far more tokens than you would with other pre-sales or other RWA projects that you may be too late to, right? This is going to be super early, and you can see by their website, it's very corporate. They've got their own card ready, right? They've already got their Visa side going here. These guys are fully regulated, and they are ready to go and basically hit this crypto industry with a lot of force. Now, they do have a crypto wallet as well. This will be very similar to MetaMask, but you're going to have those fiat on-ramps. You're going to have that access to the traditional finance industry, and you're not seeing that really with the other wallets out there. So again, in terms of a market proposition, these guys are nailing it with their crypto wallet, with their card, and as you can see here, you can sync that up with things like Google Pay, Apple Pay, because it is connected to that traditional finance industry. Now, if you haven't clicked the link in the description yet, guys, I would highly recommend doing so, because these guys, again, they're basically bridging the gap between that traditional finance landscape with crypto. And that's going to allow you to do things typically the traditional finance world have an advantage over crypto from. One of these, as you can see here, so you'll be able to freeze your card instantly. What this means is typically in crypto, if you get your seed phrase stolen or you get your computer compromised, you could lose your funds, right? With this, because it's with traditional finance kind of integrated inside of it, you can see here that basically it would operate similar to a bank, but you can have access to your crypto. So if you do get your card stolen, or you lose your card, or you just see a transaction you're not sure is you can instantly freeze your card, similarly to what you would do with a bank. And also, guys, because this is linked with the banking industry, we can see that you're going to get 0 ATM and FX fees, right? So basically, you can take your card, bring it up to an ATM, withdraw money via swapping crypto for fiat, and then boom, you're not going to be charged any fees from that ATM. If you do that now with normal methods, guys, with crypto, you are going to be given a pretty hefty fee here just using a card. So this in itself, again, market proposition is fantastic, and the fact they're using traditional infrastructure to really allow you to access your crypto anywhere is a massive benefit for you and for me. me. Now, there are a few cards you can get here. You can obviously get the basic card, which will give you up to $250 per month in ATM withdrawals. Then you have the select card, which you get more, gold card, and platinum card. Again, very similar to a bank here. You're going to get more withdrawal benefits depending on the card that you pick. But as well as that, you're actually going to get subscription services for free with these cards, right? So anything from the select card above, you're actually going to get Netflix and Spotify, which is pretty decent when you think about it. If we are looking at ChainBank as a potential investment opportunity, I will say this has a lot of potential. This thing, I do think, has the ability to get into not only the 100 million market caps, but it could get as high as the billions, like we saw Ondo do or take a very good attempt at in 2024. These guys are basically positioned perfectly for the new US administration, for the next wave of the crypto bull run, and they've already raised a lot of money in their pre-sale so far, over $1 million. Again, the earlier you get into this, the more money you're going to make because of those price hikes with pre-sales. So in summary here, guys, definitely check out ChainBank in the description. Just chuck a little bit of the pre-sale because this could be a massive 100x potential when you're thinking about how early you are. Only $1 million raised so far, still enough. $1 million is massive, so you're going to get that momentum after the pre-sale. And then in terms of infrastructure, in terms of the cards, in terms of the product behind this, it's actually fantastic. Can integrate with all of your normal retail methods, Google Pay, Visa, MasterCard, anything that you use in everyday life. You're going to have access to that with your crypto instantly. And it's not like you're going to be on Coinbase where you're going to have to pay a 5% withdrawal fee, right? This is a card, you have access to your crypto, and you get those free ATM withdrawals as well. Fantastic stuff from ChainBank. Definitely check these guys out in the description. That's going to be it for this video. Have a fantastic day. Drop a like on there. I'll see you in the next one.